In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear all your previous activity on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. After that, tap right here at these three lines to head over to the settings and activity, and then tap at account center here. Now guys, we need to tap at your information and permissions, and on the next step tap at your activity of Meta Technologies. And that's where you can easily find the option clear previous activity. Now we need to tap on it, and on the next step we'll be able to clear all our previous activity on Instagram simply by tapping at this button. On the next step, just select clear previous activity, and that's basically how it can be easily done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.